This is your first look at Insta360's new action camera, the Go Ultra. Thanks to the renders shared by Android Headlines on their website, we can take a look at the new model of the Go series, which however is slightly larger and features a squared shape instead of the classic pill design of the previous models. But other than that, the form factor remains the same, featuring a charging case that also has a rotating screen and that attaches magnetically to the main camera module, which can be used separately, keeping the size and the weight low and allowing magnetic mounting thanks to the same necklace of the previous models, as you can see in these images posted by Quadro News on X. The external case includes a rubber grip on the left side, making it more comfortable and stable to hold even without an additional stick, which can still be attached at the bottom along with all the magnetic accessories we've already seen from Insta. On the right side, the case has an unlock button, which releases the camera module, along with a speaker and the charging port. As for the camera specs, for now, we only know it will be capable of recording in 4K at 60 frames per second, but the sensor size and specs are still unknown. What we know, though, is the release date. In fact, according to Android Headlines, it will be between the end of August and early September, the same period when the Tech Congress IFA will take place. Go check out the full article that Android Headlines have made for more info and for the full resolution renders.